Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video right here outside again. But I just have for you guys a quick little update on the Bitcoin price. And unfortunately, I made an entire video, but again, a lot of it got lost, like I said in my previous video, or maybe in the next video. So that's why I'm going to talk briefly about right here and share with you guys what I think is about to happen right now. So as you take a look at the Bitcoin chart, there's one thing which is becoming very apparent. Right now, you can all most likely see, and sorry if you hear all the sounds from all the cars, guys, it's a very busy street. I've been traveling a little bit around to find a better place, but everything is awful. So right now, we're still seeing this channel for Bitcoin, and what I said a little while ago was that I honestly believe that over time, Bitcoin is still going to hit this upper side. Again, what I mean to say with that is even though we can range in this section for a little bit, we can definitely see a little bit more downside just following this little channel. I do believe the upside is still most likely for Bitcoin. However, there's one specific chart that I've showed you guys a little while ago. I think it's my second BTC USDT chart. Yeah, if we check this out over on the 4-hour or the daily, let's actually do a daily here. I think that would make the most amount of sense. If you check it out over on the daily here, you can see this continuation pattern that we talked about before playing out right now. So what I said about a week ago is that there's a good chance that we're going to be seeing this continuation pattern where basically Bitcoin trends towards the, let me show you guys, the upside right here before breaking down, and then continuing on in the same similar trend basically the next time around, which is right now. So a lot of people were skeptical when we actually had this big movement a little while ago, and people said, no, we're going to continue on with the bullish rise. Or when this was happening right here, people were skeptical. I'm getting those tweets. I forgot to put the notifications off. Where I was bearish. However, as we can see over on the RSI, I know I can't draw in that right now, but you understand, over in these different scenarios at the bottom right there, right here, you can see, it's basically exactly similar like we saw in that previous section, you know, over here. Can I touch? No, I cannot touch. Crypto is going crazy over on Twitter. However, the scenario is still the same, and I'm going to share it nonetheless. If, all right, and this is very important, if we break below this level right here, I'm going to be looking for a short position that will most likely last all the way towards $16,000. All right, that's my short-term trade that I'm going to be looking for most likely. However, I personally think there's a very good chance that we're actually going to be some crazy motorcycles, that we're going to be bouncing off of this level here and most likely see the upside again. As we've covered before a little while ago, there's three main sections for Bitcoin. Let me show it to you guys right here if I can perfectly. This is actually all the drawings from my previous video that got lost. There's three main sections that we're watching for Bitcoin. It is the, let me show you guys, $20,000 level. It's not the perfect chart. The $20,000 level, the $21,700 level, and the 17.6, right? So 17.6 is our major bottom. You guys have most likely seen that a little while ago. Ooh. The $20,000 is the one place we just got rejected from a couple of hours ago. And then, there's so many notifications. And then we have 21.7, which is basically the range that we've been trading in for a little while. Since we got rejected at 20,000, I think the majority of people would say, okay, the biggest odds is that we're going to move all the way towards 17.6 or 17.7 thousand right now. I, however, am on a different sort of plane right here. And I guess I should show it to you guys with our, this chart right here over on a weekly, if I can find it real briefly. Yeah, I guess I'm on a different opinion, which is, okay, I think we're going to bounce off of 19,000, which is, again, the prices which we saw back in the 2017-18 bull run, unless we break through. And if we break through, which is this entire little orange zone right there, we're going to be seeing the second highest point, which is all the way in, I guess January of 2018 still, but is the second highest weekly candle that we had. And so I'm looking right here, are we going to hold this? Are we going to hold the line? Yes, we are. And as of that point, as it currently stands, I'm still bullish and I'm going to remain that way. The moment that we break through, though, is going to look for some short positions, but it's not the case just quite yet, and it hasn't been for all these weeks. So I'm personally staying and remaining quite bullish on the matter. All right, guys, it's very dark in here. All right? I had a flashlight, but it failed on me right now. So a lot of cars coming by, which is also what it is. I'm trying to give you guys at least one update every single day. And today I thought, hey, I'm seeing one specific pattern in the Bitcoin chart. I have to share this with you guys. But let me just reiterate really briefly here. I am most likely going to open up a short position rather soon. And I want to warn you guys for that. right? That's our major pattern. There's a lot of people who are opening short positions right now at $20,000 all the way towards 19,000 as a starters. And some people want to catch that bottom all the way at 17.5 if we do manage to hit that again, as we just got rejected at 20,000. But I personally think that's too scary. So I'm going to watch for the continuation pattern and see whether or not we can trade that, as is the most safest. So look out for that one, and I'll update you guys pretty soon on anything else I find. And I have a lot of cool updates coming out soon, so stick around to the channel, and most likely we'll try to do a couple of properly recorded videos tomorrow. It's just a quick little update. See ya.